This is a final project. This is done by Dagmawi, Ashley, and myself, Nadia. I am happy to be a part of this project. Okay, this is the current problem. And we track customer in our current problem. We track customer issue. We capture who is making the request to ensure the efficient feedback and provide the issue. And the process flow automatically notifies the customer updates to their tickets. And later at the end, the Dagmawi will show us that. And we use core customer service hub in Power Automate. And the solution actually will walk us through that solution demo.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Ashley Maroa. I'm gonna take up from where Nadia left off. So now, as you can see on the screen that Dagmawi is showing, we is showing the customer service hub, which is helping us to see the problems and the process we're gonna follow to ensure a solution is provided. So we're gonna be using the so we use the um, dynamic customer service and Power Automate to track and regulate our solutions for the problems we might have identified. So the solution we have is we're trying to be able to automatically notify the customer and give them a feedback to their ticket. And should any problems arise, we want to be able to escalate it to the manager if the ticket is open for too long. So we use the SLA that we have. So for the response to the problems that we have. So the SLA will help us track the issues and ensure a feedback or an escalation should it fail. So from the one we have on our PowerPoint, it shows that you give, for demonstration purposes, we're going to use to give a warning after 1 minute and a failure after 5 minutes. But in real case scenarios, oftentimes it's about an hour to 4 hours, depending on the case. And usually, and in this case, our priority is high. So for our case, it's going to be high priority with giving warning after a minute. So it will help us to track the performance also for the service agents and provide information to the manager if there's an escalation, to show whether there's a glitch in our system or it's with the customer service agents too. So I think I will hand it over now to Dagmawi so that he can give the demo to show how our process is going to work from initial phoning and the process in which we help solve the solution and the problem to it.
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Dagmawi again. I'm very grateful for the TechFluent for giving us this chance, and then it's amazing how we all reach at this point. I'm going to demo the what Nadia and Ashley was earlier saying. So to save time, I'm going to share my screen right now. So we've used, as earlier, as Nadia and Ashley said, we've used the customer service hub because it's already rich and it's going to solve all the problems that we are already face as for Contoso. Currently, all their problems is going to be solved out of the box. We've just used the Power Automate for the escalation part only. If that SLA agreement that we have with Contoso, which was high at this point, as we can see here, just to escalate that one, we've used Power Automate, which I'm going to demo briefly. Just to show you, we're going to create one case here. All right, so we've created Duca Coffee is a company which is going to is our customer, and as the case is filter related, and the case type is a problem. This is all out of the box. We've just created the service level agreement, and it's originated like says by phone, and the case is, and I guess that will do. And okay, we can also add a product here. So as soon as the case is created, immediately the system is going to give it a case number so that we can follow it up till it's going to be resolved. We can see record here. So our case is already created. It's already give us a case number so that we can follow this case number. What's good about the system, the customer service hub, is we standardize our system, so we treat every case at the same time, same way. We're going to, the case is created, and then going to identify the problem, and then we're going to research and then find the solution for that problem, and then we're going to resolve the problem. So for this case, because we have an agreement with them, service level agreement, which is a high, I'm going to just change the priority level to high so that we can see how that Power Automate is going to work. And I'm going to save that one. So as soon as that I have saved that, I should have showed you earlier that the service level agreement was not there until I've changed the priority level to high. And when we go to the details part, oh, this is not the one I want to see. It's not the case. Sorry about that. It's filter related. This was the one. So when we go to the SLA part, this is, as you see, the status is nearing complete non-compliance. But if it was the priority was low at earlier, we don't see any SLA connection with this specific case. But as soon as I've changed that priority level to high, right away it's going to put it into that specific SLA, and then we go to the details part, and then we'll see that the escalation is not yet escalated because still we are still in the time limit. We've just put 1 minute and then 5 minutes expiry date just to show you how these things are working. And as you can see, we have the customer, and then we have the response time, and then we have also the case here. Everything what the customer service agent can see is already right here. And we have also cases related to that specific company, Duca Coffee. We have filter related issue before, in recent cases. We have all these cases that we have with them. And the next thing is just to see that if this thing is not actually not resolved in time or resolved, we have a Power Automate that is going to see the outcome, and then if that specific case was resolved within time, is going to update the status, and is going to send also the email that their case is already resolved and stuff like that. So the customer knows where their case is at that specific moment. And if it's non-compliant, if it's not actually resolved within time, it's going to escalate it to the manager for his immediate involvement, so that that case is going to be resolved within that specific SLA. And as you can see, if we can get the time, we can see that actually the email when it's going to that specific case is expired. Try to put that. We can see that email is going to be sent out. And also the case is going to be, this escalation is going to be, the status is going to be changed to escalated, so that the customer service agents also see that that specific case is escalated to the manager, so that the manager is going to act and then resolve the problem within that specific time, which is 1 day in this specific instance. I'll try to oh, now it's expired. Oh, no, that's not the one. Okay, now it's expired. When we go to the SLA part, we can see that now that's the nearing compliance is now non-compliant because we couldn't be able to resolve that specific case. And when we go to the details, now that specific case is escalated, and we'll also get an email here saying that, case number, blah, blah, blah. So the manager knows which specific case is actually was not resolved in time. So we give him a heads up so that he's going to involved in good time to resolve the problem. And one thing good about the customer service hub is it also has a built-in dashboard, so we don't have to build a Power BI report, which you already have here. We have all the cases, all related cases, and all the activities. And we have also, if we have visualization, we have another dashboard. We can see by case and how many high cases we have how many low cases we have, how many resolved cases we have, and how many active cases we have. So we can see everything here, and we can easily assign cases based on the priority level and stuff like that. So by utilizing the already out-of-the-box customer service hub, we can easily solve the Contoso problem right now that I have. As this is the completion of our final project, I would like to say thank you. You have actually changed the lives of many. Hopefully, we're going to end up in a tech job very soon. Thank you very much. We really appreciate, and I also appreciate the helps of our teams. Thank you all.